31st December, we will be launching Jagananna Sampurna Griha Hakku program. 28th December, we would be launching release of benefits to the new beneficiaries for all the programs implemented post-April and applied thereafter. On 1st of January, this is going to be a very big program. Pensions, launching of enhanced pension Kanuka to 2,500 rupees. As promised, as committed, the pension amount would be enhanced to 2,500. It's going to be on 1st January. It's a big program. Then on 9th January, EBC Nestam, we're launching this program which will talk about 45 to 60 years of age in between beneficiaries belonging to EBCs, where we would handhold them for 3 years, the same beneficiary for 3 years, giving them 45,000 rupees so as to empower those women there in that category. 15,000 every year, 3 years, 45,000 to the same beneficiary year after year, so that they are actually empowered. So that would be the program concerning EBCs, launched as EBC Nestam on 9th January. And Raitu Bharosa third installment, this program would also be in the month of January. The dates we would finalize going forward. These are the 5 programs that we would be talking about during the month of December going forward and during the month of January. 15.60 lakh houses construction అనేది జరుగుతూ ఉంది. The 15.60 lakh houses what have been initiated in the first phase for పేదలందరికీ ఇల్లు నవరత్నాలు కార్యక్రమంలో, దీంట్లో the number of houses that have been grounded are 10.72 lakh houses, close to 70%. So it's very important that the remaining houses are grounded at the earliest. So it's very important that these houses that are yet to be started, yet to be grounded, are revisited by the collector and identify the reasons as to why they have not been grounded as yet, and apply your mind and energy and focus into this particular area and make sure that every house that is being sanctioned is grounded. So this is one very, very important aspect. All grounding activities, the target set forth would be 31st January 2022. So 31st January kalla, all the houses need to be grounded. All the sanctioned houses. Jagananna Smart Townships. This is also one aspect which is being developed for the welfare, for the good of the middle class, middle income group category, where we are actually developing these lands, wanting to give them litigation-free titles, wanting to develop this land with all the infrastructure facilities made available. So all the infrastructure facilities made available, litigation-free title also made available, the government stands guarantee, and the rate being at the least possible. So this would ensure that the middle income group category benefit hugely because of this scheme.
Please subscribe to Androdayam TV.
Please subscribe to Androdayam TV channel.
Please subscribe to Androdayam TV.
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 Please subscribe to Androdayam TV.